Hi, I'm Max from Handmade Eggs, and today we're going to show you some of the processes of how our boards are made here at Colab Studios. So a board starts its life like this. These are rough foam moulds with stringers already in them, which come fairly close to the sizes of the end design. They also have a thick protective skin on them, which helps for transport. At Handmade Eggs, all our boards are traditionally hand-shaped by myself before they go through the rest of the studio, where they are laminated with fiberglass and PU resin. The hand-shaping process uses a selection of woodworking tools like a planer and some sanding blocks. It takes about 2 to 4 hours and is continued until the board is at the desired shape, smooth and ready to be fiberglassed. Once they are shaped and smoothed out, depending on whether they have a colour tint or not, the fin plugs are put in before or after the laminating process. Alternatively, the colour is made on the foam by spray paint, which is done after the shaping process. The boards are laminated using some fiberglass cloth like this. It comes in big rolls and different weights depending on its strength. This is then laid onto the board and mixed with resin, which takes about 20 minutes to go hard. The logos are put on using a rice paper. These are screen printed on and they disappear underneath the fiberglass with the resin. The final stage is, once it's laminated for strength, is sanding and coating with filler resin. This happens a few times and in different areas on the board. And here it is, a freshly laid egg, usually about 3 or 4 weeks after the shaping is finished.